Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, am I going to show you a powerful feature we have in Python called unpacking. So let's define a tuple called coordinates, coordinates and here we can pass the value like 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then so you can imagine these are the coordinates for x, y and z. Now let's say we want to get these values and use them in a few expressions, a few complex expressions in our program. Maybe we want to include them as part of the large complex formula. So together we have to write the code like this: coordination of 0 is coordinates of 0 is multiplying of coordination of 1 and then multi coordinates of 1, then it's multiplied by coordination of coordinates of 2. Okay, so our code will getting little bit too long, right? So this is just a simple example guys, but let's we want to use these values in quick a few places in our program. I will erase this one. Okay, a better approach to get these values and store them in a separate variable, like we can get coordinates of 0 and store it in a x variable. Okay, then coordinates of coordinates of 1 and store it in a y variable. Okay, then coordinates coordinates of 2 and store it in a variable called z. Okay, this is how you can write a short form of assigning a variable to the coordinates guys. Okay, see, now here we can, instead of repeating coordinates of 2 or coordinates of 1 or coordinates of 0 multiple times, we can simply work with these values x times y times and z times. Okay, this is a better, right? So nothing new for, but in Python, we have a powerful feature called unpacking, and with that, we can achieve the same result with less code. So, we can define our variable called x. We can define a variable called x comma y comma and z. Okay, and we can set it to our tuple. Our tuple name is coordinates, right? So what we have on the line 6, identically or exactly identical to what we have line 2 to 4 guys. Okay, it is exactly same thing, but it is a less code, it is a more code. Okay, I will erase this one to erase this one and explain how this works. Okay, see here, when Python interpreter see this statement, it will get the first item in our tuple. When Python interpreter will see this statement, it will get the first item in our tuple and assign to the x variable. Similarly, when it will see the statement, the coordination of second item, then it is assigned to the second variable, and similarly we can get the third item in our tuple and assign into the z variable. So we have this unpacking this tuple into the three variables. Okay, the coordination tuples into the three separate variables. Now if I print x, okay, now if I print x, we can see x is 1. Let me show you how it is. Print print x. Suppose I want to print the x here, we will getting the value is 1 on the terminal. Let me show you. So I will elaborate this console part. See, I will run this program. We will see 1 on the terminal. If you print here y, we are going to get y value. I will show you. See here 2 is going to print on the terminal, right? So this is how you can use the coordinate what you call unpacking concept in Python, guys. And this is not limited to the tuples. We can use this feature for lists also. Okay, so if I change the parenthesis to square here for the list, it will work. Okay, when I run this program, it will also work. It is not limited to the tuples. You can use lists as well. So this is how you can use the unpacking concept in Python, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, see you in the next video.